The power of patience. No one talks about is often overlooked because the world celebrates speed, instant results, and visible success. In a small village there lived a young boy named Sami. Sami was bright, curious, and full of dreams. He wanted to master painting, but he was impatient. Every time he tried to draw, he wanted perfection immediately. If the colors did not blend perfectly or the lines were uneven, he would throw away his work in frustration. One day, an old painter named Rahim noticed Sami's struggle. Rahim was famous in the village, not because his paintings were quick, but because each one carried depth, emotion, and patience. He approached Sami and said, "You are full of talent, but talent without patience is like a seed thrown on dry soil. It may have potential, but it will not grow." Sami frowned. "I don't understand. I paint every day, but my work never looks right." "Why should I wait?" Rahim smiled. "Patience is not waiting for things to happen. Patience is how you act while you wait. True mastery comes from consistent effort, even when results are invisible." He asked Sami to paint a single tree every morning. Not the whole landscape, just one tree. Notice the lines of the bark. Watch how light hits the leaves. Observe, feel, and paint again and again, Rahim instructed. The first few weeks were frustrating. Sami wanted to see a perfect masterpiece, but his tree looked awkward and incomplete every time. He almost gave up. Then something remarkable happened. As days turned into months, Sami's hands became steadier. He started noticing details he had never seen before. The curve of a branch, the shadow under a leaf, the soft sway of the wind. Each imperfect attempt became a lesson. Each mistake taught him more than success ever could. One evening, Rahim looked at Sami's progress and said, "Do you see now? Patience is what turns effort into excellence. It teaches you observation, humility, and perseverance. Without it, talent alone cannot carry you." Sami realized that the world's obsession with instant results had blinded him. True growth, whether in art, life, or personal goals, comes quietly, step by step, mistake by mistake, effort by effort. Years later, Sami became a respected painter, not because he was the fastest learner, but because he had learned the secret most people ignore, the power of patience. People admired his skill, but what made him truly strong was the discipline and calm persistence behind every brushstroke. Friends, the world will push you to rush, to compare yourself to others, to demand results today. But remember, progress often hides behind the scenes. Patience is not passive, it is active. It is the quiet work that transforms dreams into reality. If you feel frustrated today, know that patience is your hidden strength. Keep moving forward, keep practicing, keep trusting the process. One day, the results will reflect the effort you put in while no one was watching. Patience is not waiting, patience is growing, and that is a power no one talks about, but everyone needs.